Say hi.
Arizona watermelon tea.
Watermelon. Just watermelon. I love my horsey and my horsey love me.
So out of 10, how would you rate Texas Simulator?
Texas Simulator is like a 7.
Okay, I agree.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. One of y'all has to be Leatherface.
Johnny, switch to Leatherface. Someone switched to the cook, but not Leatherface. Bro,
Someone
you
has
can't
to be
cook.
Leatherface. If you don't pick, then, you know, we can't play. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, shitballs.
Oh,
shitballs.
nope. Oh, so I'm upstairs now.
What? You didn't wait for me?
No, I'm following Connie.
Bitch ass.
Yeah, Leatherface is chasing me.
Oh, good luck. Okay, hey, come here.
Leatherface.
Okay, don't come here. I'm behind you. We're gonna escape together.
Just make sure Sissy isn't behind you. Or Leatherface.
No, I don't see anyone. Wait for me. I'm right behind you.
I'm gonna go right past this thing.
Okay.
Just in case they turn it on.
Hey, babe.
Hey, Julie.
Wait,
I get past his
look at
armor.
me. Look at me. Maybe I can take a screenshot of you. Because I can look at you. Oh, are you twerking? Okay, we escaped! Fuck yeah!
Mm-hmm.
Our first escape together! Wait! I'm Julie. Oh, there's someone talking.
Gas station?
Oh,
There's a gas station now?
Yeah! I haven't played on that one yet.
I didn't know it existed.
Hello! Oh shit. I heard myself double. That was kind of scary.
I'm gonna do original Julie for this map because it's new.
What the fuck?
Okay. Can Leland just go suck an egg? Like, I feel bad for Leatherface and Johnny.
Yeah, they're gonna have to hear that kid the whole time.
Mm-hmm. Fashion Famous really is scarier than this game. Have you watched the first movie yet?
Yeah, it sucks.
Oh, yeah. At least we agree.
Why do I hear Bubba already?
I don't know. He's next to me.
Oh, great.
Leland, get out of my crystal.
I spawned alone again.
I love how you just didn't even hear what I just said.
Get out of my pussy? Yeah, I heard you.
Yeah, he was literally had his head in my garage when I was trying to escape the rope.
I'm getting out. Oh shit, that's not the right door.
Oh fuck, the Leatherface is actually good.
Oh fucking hell. Shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
I don't even know what's going on. No.
Fuck. Okay. Johnny. Ugh! I didn't turn on the electricity, so...
Johnny's here.
Well, I'm not there anymore. I'm about to escape.
What?
I'll just wait here, I guess. Oh, I didn't mean to leave. Well...
Oh, I'm glad you escaped. And now Johnny's looking for my footprints.
And he found you.
Yep, fuck. I hate that ability. It's the
Oh
least
shit!
scary. Oh,
No, you're stuck.
yep.
Oh! Well, if we spawned together, this would have been easier.
No,
You're Leland!
Big.
The fuck is Connie doing?
The fuck the Connie doing?
What's the Connie doing? Why do
don't
I
know,
keep
Ronnie.
spawning alone? Fuck this game.
I'm alone too.
Wait, I hear other moans. Are you with me? You're with me.
I don't know.
You're with me. Hey! Oh, don't go there. Got scared.
Oh, fuck.
Hey! I'm in the closet right here.
Bitch still after me, god damn it. Oh, fuck.
Are you dead? Are you dead?
Fuck.
Did you die? Beans, did you die?
I got a haircut. I got a haircut.
Oh.
Keep still.
Ah, Jesus.
Well, why do you main the character with the most cleavage?
Okay.
There you go.
GG's.
Good job.
GG. Oh yeah, I forgot we're on that new map.
Ooh.
Okay, he's good as Leatherface, but he's blind as fuck.
Uh-oh. I hear him. Oh, Fuck, Sissy's behind me! No, I don't want to die! Oh shit, hitchhiker! Oh, they're all after me. Bitch.
Gate isn't open.
Fuck!
No.
Shit balls. Sissy's after me.
I need a lockpick in the turn.
Fucking hitchhiker is here as well! Nah, bitch! Oh no, I'm gonna die. They're all after me, dude. Shit! No.
Just gonna look for a lockpick.
Ow. Oh, I'm gonna die.
While you're having fun over there, I'm gonna look for a lockpick.
Motherfucker. Oh, motherfucker! I'm dead. Fucking cunt. They were all after me. Oh, my booty's shaking. Hold on, look at my booty. It's shaking. Hitchhiker's right there. Beans. Hitchhiker. Rest in peace, Julie. That booty, though. Oh, hey, Beanie. Hey. You look so terrified when you stand like that. You're like, why are you hitting me? Bro, pull up your pants. Oh, bro! Let me...